In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all your iPhone contacts at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Phone app and then go to Contacts. Now guys, if we want to remove one particular contact, first off we need to search for that contact, and then if we get in that contact, we'll be able to hit Add Edit. And now if we scroll down, we can easily delete this contact by hitting Add Delete Contact and Delete Contact again. Then, if you want to remove multiple contacts, we can keep doing the same steps and then remove them one by one. If we want to remove all the contacts at once, there is a simple trick how we can easily do so. All you have to do, guys, is just press with two fingers on the screen, just like that, and then slowly pull down. The screen will start scroll, and in that way we can select all the contacts in our contacts book, just like that. All we have to do is just wait until it finishes scrolling, and after that we can lift off our fingers, and then all we have to do is just long press and then hit Add Delete Contacts, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.